Hey everyone, welcome back to M&MM PTE NAATI YouTube channel. This is Mohit. Now in today's video, I am going to share with you all the experiment that I did for the write from dictation topic, and specifically you would have just guessed it by the title itself. That's about can we add additional words in write from dictation sentence or not? And if we can, do we lose any marks? Do we get a full score? All these kind of questions around it. So first I would be sharing my scores that I've got in the official mock test from Pearson, and then based on that I would be sharing with you as to a few things that you should be doing, few things to avoid and all that stuff, and what I would be coming up in the future as well. Also, if you want some personal time with me and Mohit, just one-on-one with you and us, where you can ask us any sort of questions in regards to your PT or even the NAATI exam, NAATI CCL, Hindi, Punjabi or Gujarati. And for PT, 30 minutes or 1 hour one-on-one consultations where you can ask us any questions live, or if you want to do a speaking test in front of us where we can check your entire speaking and give you feedback based on that. If you have given a full mock test and you want to get that evaluated and get a proper constructive feedback as to what are your weaknesses, what are your strengths, what to improve, how to improve, all those kind of things, we can arrange one session with you. You can either message us on Instagram or Facebook. Just text us over there and we can take the conversation ahead. Could be the 30 minutes or could be even 1 hour depending on how much time you need with us, and we can discuss all those things over there. So without wasting any further ado, let's dive right into it. So it's just loading up, and yep, so that's the official mock test that I give over here with the Pearson, the official mock test from Pearson. Now if you just ignore the scores in reading and speaking for this one, because that was another topic that I did in this exam, but for the listening module and the writing module, just one topic was attempted in the entire PT exam, and that was write from dictation. So first of all, if you just look at the scores in listening, 33, and writing, 42, it's a pretty decent score based on just one topic out of the 20 topics that you get in the exam. I got 4 write from dictation in the exam. So for 4 write from dictations, I got 33 marks in listening and I got 42 marks in writing, which I believe is a full score because I did not make even a single mistake, got all the words right, added few words which I would be discussing now, but then depending on how many words I got, I think each sentence was about 9-10 words. Some sentence could be even longer. So based on that, I've got 42 in writing and 33 in listening. Now why did I get more marks in writing? It's purely because of all those punctuations, spellings, all these kind of things which they have more marks. That's why more marks in writing as compared to listening. Now, in this particular experiment, what I did was I limited myself to maximum of 3 additional words in a sentence. So what I was doing was I took a word. If I was not sure of the spellings or anything, I repeated that same word again with different set of spellings. And same thing happened with past and present words. So for example, if the word was presented, I put 2 words in there. I put present and I put presented. So I repeated a word. So one was correct answer, one was wrong answer. Same thing, singular, plural. Let's say if there was a word which was singular, I put that singular word and I also put a plural word as well. So 2 words. So this is how, and I made sure even if I was sure of the complete sentence, I did add 2 to 3 additional words in a sentence. So if a sentence was 10 words, I put in about 12 or 13 words in every single sentence. So what does this score report tell me? That yes, adding words and write from dictation still works. Nothing has changed, but I made sure that I was sticking to my basics and my plan, that I was adding a maximum of 2 to 3 words. Like I said, we would be coming up with a lot more experiments in the future as well. Another one that we have decided is going to be the adding more words, or let's say adding even more than 3 words in a sentence. But for now, this is what I wanted to share. So yes, I can clarify and confirm that this works. You can add a couple of words, but prefer limiting to maximum of 2 to 3 words for now. Maybe if you add more words, you may get marks, but then you don't want to risk it for no reason. Prefer just adding 2 or 3 words at max. Only add words where you feel that it needs adding. Do not just deliberately start repeating the words. If you're unsure of a spelling, yes, you can add another word. If you're not sure if it was a past tense or a present tense, yes, you can add a word. If you're not sure if it's a singular or a plural word, yes, you can add another word. So only do these things when you feel that you have to do it. There's no other option, but I won't recommend intentionally doing this stuff. Practice hard. That should be your main focus. not these kind of things. Yes, they work, they may not work in the future, who knows. We would be doing experiments just to let you know, but then make sure you do it when it's required. Yes, it works, and like I said, you can even post them down in the comment section below if you have any sort of questions or any other experiments you would like us to do. There's another experiment recently that I posted, and that was about the one-line strategy. You can even watch that video. And if you have any sort of specific content ideas or specific experiments or any sort of questions, yes, you can leave them down in the comment section below, and me and Mohit will answer all of you as quickly as possible. All the best if you have quarter exams coming soon. Like I said, if you need any sort of personal time with us, live sessions one-on-one. If you do not need the full-fledged coaching with us, you can just go for 30 minutes or 1 hour. If you just want to speak with us about something, yes, we are available. You can get in touch with us on Instagram and Facebook, and we can chat over there. All the best if you have quarter exams. Stay safe wherever you are, and I'll see you all in the next one.